Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook dal masoor. First, take 1 cup of red lentils and rinse them thoroughly under cold water to remove any impurities. After rinsing, soak the lentils in 3 cups of fresh water for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 hour. This step helps them cook more evenly and reduces cooking time significantly. You'll notice them plump up slightly, indicating they are ready for the next stage of preparation. Next, drain the soaked lentils and transfer them to a pot. Add 4 cups of fresh water, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The lentils should become tender and easily mashable, but not completely disintegrated. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Now, let's prepare the flavorful tarka, which is the tempering that gives dal its signature taste. In a separate small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. Add 1 finely chopped small onion and sauté until golden brown. Then, add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Finally, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida, cooking for 30 seconds before pouring over the cooked dal. Gently stir the tarka into the dal, ensuring all the flavors are well combined. Taste and adjust the salt if necessary. For a fresh touch, garnish with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro and 1 or 2 slit green chilies. Serve your delicious dal masoor hot with steamed basmati rice, warm roti, or naan bread. It's a comforting and nutritious meal perfect for any day of the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.